करना है तो
मैंने पोस्ट नहीं।
हट जाओ हट जाओ हट जाओ हट जाओ। Now we have Abhithatha who has participated in the walk organized by SFI. So Abhithatha, what is your remarks?
First thing, participate in walks, but do not join the party immediately. Do not believe when a politician is giving a speech. Use your own brain, alright? Apart from that, when you have the chance to participate in anything led by an educated person, you should take that opportunity. It will really open your mind.
Okay. And did you ask any question to our Guruji
So yeah,
who were leading the walk?
I had this question that Delhi, again, he told us stories about how Delhi was a semi-arid place and it was completely barren.
Okay.
Back then, if you would climb on the ridge, you could see up to
Kashmiri Gate.
up to the wall of the Red Fort, basically. You could see the whole of Shah Jahanabad. Then why was this the capital? The main reason being that it is a it's a naturally protected region, right? You have Yamuna, you have the Aravalli Hills on the other side, and along, I believe, the northwest city, these actually close on towards each other, so it becomes very easy to defend.
Okay.
And when you are a king, that's what matters. Water you can somehow manage from the river.
So we have seen that people were engaging in so many discussions for so many issues. So as a student of BTech, do you find it irritating that they have problem with everything they talk about?
Again, see, you should use your brain. Do not fall for everything. One thing which a politician will always do is they will speak 40% sensical things and 60% they will have their own propaganda. And because of that, you will feel that they are making a point. But that's where you have to use your own brain.
And last question, I have seen you have not filled your name with your mobile number. Why is it so?
I do not want to be spammed by SFI messages. Simple.
Okay. So you are saying that they spam the attendance list or anything they have got.
Again, it's valid for anyone, even if it's ISKCON or some other organization.
So you are covering it now
Yeah.
because you are here.
Yeah.
You have to go home alive.